Hi, greeting to you all. I'm Mr. Matthew, and today we are going to learn the second part of graph, that is how to graph points in the coordinate plane. Let's look at the first problem. What are the coordinates of points A, B, and C? Here we can see a triangle. We have to find the coordinate of each point. If you don't remember how to find the coordinate of a point, I recommend you to watch the previous video and learn from it. Now, let's look at point A. What is the x coordinate of point A? That is 1. And what is the y coordinate? That is 3. So the coordinate of point A is 1, 3. Now, let us look at letter B. Can you find the x coordinate of letter B? I hope you get the answer 2. And what is the y coordinate of letter B? That is 6. So you get the answer 2, 6. Can you find the coordinate of letter C? I hope you get the answer 7 and 5. Yes? So the answer is 7, 5. I hope you understand this very well. Now, let us continue the second problem. The coordinate below shows the layout at a country fair. Some of the booths are labeled. John is at ring toss. He wants to go to face painting. Suppose John can only walk along the grid lines. Describe 2 different paths he can take. So he is at ring toss and he has to go to face painting. So we need to find 2 paths along the grid line. Okay, so you can see here from ring toss, if you are moving 1 unit right and 2 unit up, then we can reach that point. Can you find any other path like that? You can also see from ring toss, if you are moving 2 units up and 1 unit right, we can also reach that point. These are 2 paths. Now there are some more questions. Number 1. What ordered pair represents ring toss? Can you find the ordered pair of ring toss? That is 1 and 1. Okay, so we get 1, 1. Number 2. What is the next question? What ordered pair represents face painting? Can you find the answer? That is 2, 3. So we get the answer 2, 3. I hope you understand this one. Let us continue the third problem. Use the ordered pairs 1, 1 and 2, 3 to describe how to move between the points. So from the previous problem, we know that ring toss is at 1, 1 and face painting, that is at 2, 3. And we also discussed if we need to move from ring toss to face painting, we can move 1 unit right and 2 units up. So they are asking blank unit in x direction to the right. How many units we need to move? So that is 1 unit in x direction to the right. And how many unit up? That is 2 units up. If you are looking carefully, you can also see that the difference of x coordinates, that is for, we can see face painting, the x coordinate is 2 and ring toss, the x coordinate is 1. If you find the difference, we will know how many units we have to move in x direction. And if you are looking at the difference of y coordinates, that is 3 and 1, then we can also find how many units we have to move in y direction. Okay. Now let us look at the next problem here. How can you find the horizontal and vertical distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane? So what is horizontal? When you are talking about horizontal distance, we are talking about the distance in x direction. When you are talking about vertical distance, that means we are talking about the distance in y direction. Okay, so we have to select 2 points. Let us select 2 points here. So I'm going to select 2 points randomly. I just select 1 point here and another 1 point here, 3, 5. So just 2 points. We have to label it. So I'm just going to give name A and B. So these are the 2 points. Now they are asking, how can you find the horizontal distances? Horizontal distance means in x direction. What is the distance from A to B? How many units is that? That's only 2 units. Am I right? How can we get that one? If we need to get that answer, we know the x coordinate of A. X coordinate of A is 1. That is actually 1 unit from the origin. Yes? And the x coordinate of B, that is 3. Yes? That is how many units from the origin? That is 3 units from the origin. Okay? So, if we need to find the distance, that means we find the difference of x coordinates. Am I right? So we get the distance. If you need to find the horizontal distance, find the difference of x coordinates. Now, let us look at the next one. The next one is vertical distance. How can we find the vertical distance? The vertical distance is this one. Yes. How many units is that? That's 1, 2, 3 units. Yes. How can we get that one? So what we have to do is, you know that the y coordinate of A is 2. So that is from here to the origin. Yes. And what is the y coordinate of B? That is 5. That is from this point to the origin. And if we are finding the difference of y coordinates, we will get how many units is there. So that is 3 units. Am I right? So that is the vertical distance. So let us read this one. Horizontal distance is change in x coordinates. If you find the change in x coordinates, we will get the horizontal distance, and the vertical distance is change in y coordinates. Okay? We are going to use this concept to solve the next problem. Let us look at number 4. Find the horizontal and vertical distances between 2, 1 and 7, 6. So if you need to find the horizontal distance, we have to find the difference of x coordinates. Am I right? So we have to find the difference. Yes, 7 minus 2. What is the answer we will get? 5 units. Yes. If we need to find the vertical distance, we have to find the difference of y coordinates. So that is 6 and 1. We have to find the difference. What is the difference? That is 5 units also. 6 minus 1. 5 units. And I hope you understand this one. We can also visualize this one. So for example, so 2, 1. We can represent here. Where is 2, 1? That's 2 and 1. So this is the point. That's 2, 1. And where is 7, 6? Can you plot the point 7, 6? 7 and 6. Yes, this one is the one 7, 6. So I will write here that's 7, 6. Okay. Now what is the horizontal distance? That is in x direction. Yes. So this from here to here. That is how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 5 units. And what about the vertical distance? The vertical distance is from this point to 576. Yes, sorry, 76. So that is how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units also. We got the same answer there. Right? Yes, I hope you understand the concept very well, and thank you very much.